Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can delete your Facebook group. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC, then go to the new tab and search in for a www.facebook.com and press enter. Then get logged in into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Facebook login ID and password. Now here at the homepage of Facebook, you need to click on the groups at the left panel. Now here on the group section, you will see the group that you have created on very first at left panel. You click and open your group. The group you have created on Facebook will be open now. To delete this group, you need to click on the drop down menu. Beside of the joined option, you click on drop down menu. And there you can see the option of leave group. You click on it. Here, leaving the group means that you are going to delete the group. Since you are the last admin and member, leaving will also delete this group. But if you have a group including lots of members, you cannot delete the group right away. First of all, you need to remove each and every member on the group. Then only you will be able to delete your group permanently. So you click on leave group. And with that, your Facebook group will be deleted permanently. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can delete your Facebook group. Thank you.